Good evening, sir. My name is Dr. Abu Hassan Sonai Abdul Jabbar Sheikh, Assistant Professor of Commerce at City College, Kolkata. So, today we are going to take a short journey, not through textbooks or theories, but through a real world story that answers a simple question. How does a business handle money from earning it to spending it and using it to grow? Even if you have never studied commerce, this is something we all deal with, whether we buy groceries, order food online, or dream of starting our own business someday. Let's explore this through a very simple and a related. Let's meet Raju, a young man with a tea stall at the corner of a busy street. He sells a cup of tea for rupees 10. Every day, dozens of people stop by. That rupees 10 per cup is his revenue, his earnings. But he also has cost. He buys milk, tea leaves, sugar, pays a helper, and maybe even pays a little rent. These are his expenses. After all that, maybe he's left with rupees 500 at the end of the day. That's his profit. This simple setup, money coming in, money going out, and something left over, is the basic heartbeat of every business in the world. Be it a roadside vendor or a giant like Tata or Amazon, they all follow the same rhythm. And as the old saying goes, from little acorns mighty oaks grow. That tea stall could very well become a successful cafe chain one day if the money is managed wisely. Table story. So, how do companies make money? They sell something people want, a product or a services. This is their revenue. Some sell once, like a phone or a car. Some earns recurring income like Netflix, which charges monthly. Some like YouTube don't charge use it at all, but earn through advertisements. Let's take Zomato as an example. You might think Zomato earns only from a delivery charges, but it also makes money by charging restaurants to advertise on its app. That's multiple revenue streams from one platform. Successful business don't just chase high prices. They focus on value, something worth paying for and volume, getting more people to buy. So, the next time you order something or subscribe to service, think, how is this company earning from me? It's a great way to start thinking like a commerce person. Now let's turn the page and look at the expenses. Every business spends money to run. Raju buys a tea leaves. Zomato pays delivery staff. Apple invests billions in design and development. These are all called as an operational cost. Some costs are small, like packaging or electricity. Some are huge, like salaries for skilled workers or marketing campaigns that reach millions. No matter how big the revenue is, if a company overspends, it can fail. We have seen even popular startups collapse because they couldn't manage their cost. So the golden formula in commerce is profit is equal to revenue minus expenses. Understanding expenses helps business control waste, negotiate better, and plan smarter. It's not just about making money, it's all about keeping it. Okay, now the business has made a profit. What's next? Smart companies don't just celebrate, they think ahead. Some of the profit is reinvested in a better technology, hiring good people, opening new stores. Some is saved, just like we save for emergencies. A part goes to paying taxes to the government and some might be shared with investors as dividends. Let's go back to Raju. If he uses his rupees 500 wisely, buys better chairs, improves the menu or adds coffee, he may double his customers. Big companies like Reliance or Infosys do the same thing but on a large scale. As the saying goes, don't eat all your seeds, some are meant for sowing. Profit is not just for enjoyment, it is the fuel for growth and it must be handled with discipline. You might wonder, why should we care about all this? Because business is everywhere. It gives us jobs, products, services, and innovations. When we understand how money flows in a business, we start seeing the world differently. It helps us become informed consumers. We learn to ask, why is this product priced like this? Why is this company growing so fast? Every rupee we spend goes somewhere. It supports a company, its employees, its vision. So whether we are students, professionals, homemakers, or entrepreneurs, understanding commerce helps us make smarter choices in life. Commerce is not a just subject, it's the story of how the world works through value, money, people, and growth. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening me patiently.